everyone, Audrey here. Welcome to our traveling vlog to Florida. We like to take our family vacation around September and October. This year, we decided to come to Florida. The day we arrived at Tampa, we found out Hurricane Ian was coming too. We decided to keep going with our vacation, at the same time keep an eye on Ian. We heard the park had a mermaid show, so we had to bring Scarlett, who was obsessed with mermaid at this moment, to see the show. We decided to spend a day at the beach on clear water before Ian arrived to Florida.
Daddy!
You want Daddy to help you catch those birds?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
The moment we arrived, several helicopters flew above us. We realized a boat racing was going right in front of us. We drove to Orlando on Monday and chilled at the pool for the rest of the day. We found a really good Thai restaurant and everyone was full and happy after dinner. We spent the whole day Tuesday at the theme parks. The kids had a blast. When we got back to the hotel, we were informed the hotel would be in lockdown started Wednesday night. There were a lot of people in the lobby and the dining area, and we believed they were evacuated from their home. We went back to the room and checked the weather and realized Ian was actually going to pass by Orlando on Thursday, the day we were planning to leave. We talked to our hotel and decided to leave a day earlier on Wednesday morning. We got up Wednesday morning around 7 a.m. I checked the weather and found out the heavy rain was on the way there, so we packed and left the hotel. Run!
I'm going as fast as I can legally, baby.
We cancelled the hotel in Hilton Head Island and decided to cut this vacation short and directly drove home. I checked the weather again on the way and realized we actually planned this vacation on Hurricane Ian's path. We were definitely happy that we cut this vacation short. See you next time, Florida. Next time we won't plan the vacation during hurricane season.